Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Now in this video I am going to show you how to add fill color to text in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs app. Now you select your location where you writing text. Now I am write something. Firstly, now select the text and go to the text color option. Click the text color and here are many color of the text color. Now I am select this color. You can choose black color, anywhere color, any color. You can choose any color. Now I mean increase the text size. I am choose black color. You can underline the text, italic the text, bold, unbold, anywhere. You can change the font color of the text. Now here we can see add fill color to text in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.